Ahure, Mazdao, Putrim, Ashvanem, Ashahe,
Ashavanem. It is Ashavanem, madam.
Ashavane,
Yeah.
Ashahe, Ratum, Yazamaide,
Okay.
Hada Zawotrem,
Yes.
Hada Ganem, Imat, Beresma,
Imat.
Imat, Baresma,
Very good.
Ashaya,
Huh?
Frastaratem,
Good.
Ashavanem,
Frastaratem.
Frastaratem,
Yeah.
Frastaratem, Ashavanem,
Aji.
Ashahe, Ratum, Yazamaide.
Hope
Apam,
you are reading from
Napatar.
Avastra.
Yes.
Very good.
Apam,
Apam.
Napatarem.
Apam nati apam. Apam ne?
Apam.
Yeah.
Apam, Naptarem,
Yeah.
Yazamaide.
Very good.
Naitim, Sangem.
Nay, madam. Nay.
Nairim.
Let her continue. Please don't prompt. Nairim.
Nairim.
Your turn will come.
Nairim, Sangahem, Yazamaide.
Aji.
Takhnem.
Yeah.
Takhmem.
Very good.
Damoish.
Yes.
Damoish. Upamanam.
Nahi, jara barabar. Thoru refine. Word after Damoish.
Damoish, pachi. I don't know whether the print is gone.
Okay. So read whatever you can, I'll correct you.
Upamanem.
Very good. Upamanem.
Upamanem yazatem, yazamaide.
Yeah.
Iris tanam, urvano, yazamaide, yao, ashonam, fravashayo.
Who is this? Who is prompting? Yao ashonam.
Fravashayo.
Very good. Chalo, Twam. Come to Twam.
Twam. Okay. So Twam. Okay. So I'll read. I have to put a recording 1 minute. Okay. So Twam is accusative singular of the pronoun. Actually, second personal pronoun di, meaning di, that we have studied last year. Ne. Atrem is fire. Atrem is accusative singular of atar. Atar means fire. Is adjective noun from.
Adjective noun. Continue.
From the root. What is this? From the root at.
It is ad.
To diminish.
Ad
to diminish.
Ad to diminish.
Yeah. Pachi. What is the next one? Is ahura. Aura hai is genitive singular of ahura.
I think we have done this word, so you may skip.
Yeah, we've done
this
that.
Word.
Yeah. Mazdao also we have done.
Skip. So you know na, the trick for genitive singular is ending with hey. Usually ending with hey will be.
Yeah.
Okay. What could be genitive plural ending? Termination combine only, huh? Nobody else.
Of what?
What could be the termination for genitive plural? If A is for genitive
anam.
Nam. It could be only nam.
Yeah. Nam.
Very good. Okay. And
excuse me.
Bolo ji.
Excuse me.
Yeah, tell me.
Aban ma'am is not able to join. Can you please fix her problem?
I can't see her pinging. If she pings me, then I'll admit. I'll say yes. Yeah, she has not joined, but I can't see her seeking permission to join. Okay, you may continue. Aure Mazdao, genitive. Both words genitive. Okay, next.
Genitive singular.
Okay, next.
Pachi. Putrem. Putrem is accusative singular of the noun son, that is putra.
Very good. We did na
Okay.
putro, putra, putrango, putrim,
Putra,
putra,
yeah.
putrango. The very first
Mm,
declension. Putrem. Okay.
Mm.
The next of the
Okay.
words, rest of the words we have done. Ashavanem, Asheratum. What is
Yeah.
Ashavanem, Asheratum? Combination of Ashavanem,
Right.
Asheratum
Righteous. So righteous. Ashavanem
and
is righteous.
yeah. What is the full name? Ashavanem,
Of
Asheratum means what does it
Lord
denote?
of the Lord and Master. Ashavanem Asheratum is Lord of so and so.
Lord of righteousness. So and so, nahi. Lord of righteousness.
Lord of righteousness.
Righteous, comma, Lord of righteousness. That is
Righteousness.
Ashavanem, Asheratum. Simplest way to remember. Okay.
Hmm.
So,
I have a question.
can you? Ji, bolo Jamshed.
Okay, this is the regarding the word athrim.
Ji.
Now, atra is fire. That's what we
Ji.
know.
Ji.
But the root, which is ad or at, is to diminish. Now, it is actually a opposite. What we are talking. Athrim is a
The
fire.
opposite terminology. Maybe it is trying to say the fire. By virtue of fire, you can diminish all the enmities, negativity. That is what it is trying to say. Other as a fire, do use in the to denote something which it is eliminating. In that sense, that's the only way to judge. People in the past also have asked this query. Good question. I think previous are also people ask why earth to diminish while fire has to be for increase and waxing, blazing. Why the root gives a negative tone? Kombin, can you tell me the translation part? I think this seems to be fairly simple. Hence, I am asking you. No problem. I'll
So
come
what,
to the. I think there'll be a short translation. Yeah, we have it here.
So we go by the word thwam. Thwam is the and atrem is fire.
No. Madam Ji, don't go that way. You may go that way, no problem. But if you have to start writing as a translation, what do you have to pick up?
Okay, then we pick up the verb. We took up the noun first and then the verb.
Yeah. Usually we'll pick up that way, huh?
Yeah.
So what do we pick up? In this small sentence?
The noun. The yazamaide la pelle. So
yes, ma'am. So noun verb. Huh? Noun.
So
verb as a verb we pick up. Tell Abananti to Pinga. I'm not able to take her in because I can't see a message coming from her. Chalo, madam. We venerate.
Okay. So we will pick up the yazamaide. That is we venerate. Okay. And then we go.
Is D.
Thwam is D and
atrem
is fire.
D.
Okay. D. And the atrem is fire. But because it is a putra palu aura mazda putre metle the fire accusative genitive.
No. Putrem is son, that is accusative. It is the object sense, na?
Yes.
Object sense. So son of Aura Mazda. Of Aura Mazda is Aure Mazda.
Is genitive. Okay. Is Aure Mazda. That is genitive. Genitive ke accusative. Genitive, that is.
Of Aura Mazda. Son of Aura Mazda. Genitive.
Yeah.
Comma.
Aura Mazda. And then Ashavanem, Ashahe, that is same. The Ashavanem, Ashahe, Ratum.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is
righteous Lord of righteous Lord of righteous.
So it will be right. Righteous. You can keep a comma also after righteous, right Lord of righteousness. Then next word. Okay, from Kombin we move to the next person. Who is next?
Sir, Cyrus is not there, so I'm Dinazia.
Haji. Acha, Dinazante, I wrote to you over the group about the attendance part. So would you be taking that role? Attendance?
No, I think.
Why?
It would be better if you do it.
No problem. So Sarah would want to do. So Sarah ne karwa do. In the absence of the day when she is not around, Dinazante.
Yeah.
Chalo ji, next Dinazante start.
Hadar Zaotrem. The ending is M, so it will become accusative singular of Hada, I'm trying to do it on my own. I'm not reading.
Very good. No problem.
Hada zaotra.
Haji.
Okay. Now zaotra. So zaotra with libations.
Yeah.
Zaotar is priest. So zaotra is libation. Correct?
So what about Hada?
Hada must be with.
Haji.
No, with.
Hada is with. Yeah.
Hada
Yeah.
must be with.
Yeah.
So Hada means with. Zaotra means libation. Zu from the root zu to pour.
Correct.
And
To pour or to
Ra.
invoke. To pour or to invoke. You may write invoke also. INVOKE. To pour or to invoke. And tra
Or
is
to
the noun
invoke.
suffix.
noun
So another
suffix.
word for Zotra could be Zotter. Have you come
Zotter.
across the word Zotter?
Yes. Priest.
Huh?
Yes.
Zotter.
Priest.
Okay.
Priest.
Zotter no formation. Then can you tell me one step ahead? Zotter.
Again, root is zu.
Haji.
Correct?
Yeah.
Tar avesh. So, no, wait. Tar will be the noun suffix. Zu will be first.
Perfect. Which
Guna
noun
form.
suffix? I know you can say, you can get away also. Ideally say adjective
wait.
suffix and noun suffix and get away, not a
Wait,
problem. But
wait.
there is something more to it. Hence, I'm asking you.
One second. Zu will
There is
become
something
zao.
specific. No problem.
Okay, zu will become zao.
Haji.
Wait. Then actually, ta'a is the noun, is the past.
No. Don't complicate. You were on the right track.
Okay.
Take tar as the direct suffix. But
Tar is the.
tar as the suffix. Tar, don't break tar as ta and ra. Don't break it. You are on the right track.
Okay.
Tar being the suffix. But what is it? Verb, noun, pronoun, participle, adjective. What is
No, it's a active noun. Active noun. It's a adjective noun.
Adjective noun.
A noun that shows action. Zaotar, one who pours. Correct. Okay.
someone said now? Now, which suffix is it? Someone already answered.
I answered.
I don't know who
Primary
someone
noun.
answered.
No,
Primary
I
noun
answered.
suffix is added. And
No.
then it becomes an
No. Tar, what is tar?
Adjective.
Haji,
Adjective.
barabar.
Adjective
Agentive.
noun.
Agentive suffix.
Very good.
Huh.
You'll learn more about this agentive noun suffix in Ujiran Ke. There is one whole paragraph related to the priestly duties, where you find aberetar, fraberetar, asnatar, altar. Anything related to tar is agentive noun suffix. Okay. Zotra, so Zotra you heard na? And Hadama che ne, Hadam is something like hum. Apne je hum ka ya hamazori, agreement, hum means together, hum. So that is
Together. Gathering.
So Hada is more from hum, together. Okay. Hada Zotrim Tayuk, next word level. Take the next word.
Hada Aivya Ongnem. Again,
Aivya
ma
Ongnem.
is the M.
Madam ji, Aivyong Ghanem karine bolo ni, Aivyong Ghanem.
Aivyong
Ghanem.
Aivyong
Aivyong Ghanem.
Aivyong
Yeah.
Ma is the ending. So again, it will be accusative singular. Hada, we have just seen it is with. In the
Accusative
earlier word.
1 minute. You accusative singular of what?
Accusative
write.
singular of Aivya Ongna.
Aivyong Ghana. So the trick of the trade is you remove, whenever it is accusative singular, remove the em, the last two letters, and substitute that
And
by
put-
a.
Oh.
Okay? Substitute that by a usually. Or it could
And-
be a in certain cases, but usually it will be a. You are safe when you substitute the same word with a. Okay. Aivyong Ghana.
Hada-
Bolo ji.
And Aivya Ongana, we had done it earlier also. It means girdle or belt, and it has two meanings per ounce. It has three meanings. The starry
no.
belt in the sky.
Okay, fine.
I'm coming to the meanings
Continue.
first. Okay. Milky Way. It could be the kasti which we wear, and it could be the palm leaf tie, which is used to tie the baresman twigs.
Okay.
Now, how is it coming? Okay.
Hmm.
So I'm seeing Ave Jones. it is derived from ya, ya.
Avastan root, yeah, okay.
Avastan root, ya, to put on or to wear or to gird on.
Very
And the
good.
prefix is IV, which means around.
It could be IV, it could be IP, it could be Pyri, it could be Paiti. Okay,
Should we
these are
note
the
it down?
prefix.
1 second, 1 second. It could be
IV and IP rakho amna. Limit it to IV and IP. That is sufficient right
Okay.
now.
So, translation will be with Aivyangna. Okay.
Divyankana, correct. Okay.
Then Imat is this.
Yeah,
It
just
is a
one small footnote. It is written here. It is used in the third sense. What do you mean by that? What is this?
for
sentence?
somebody else.
No, my question is directed at you. The grammatical
Yes.
notes, while you may say certain things on your own right now, if you, by now you have covered everything as regards Avyangana. You have covered this also. Word is used in 3
Right.
senses.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the meaning for this? Why this sentence appears? That's my question.
My reasoning, it could be intended, means the priest is using the Avyangana. So it's not I who am using it. It's a third person. Is that the meaning?
No.
No.
They have
Okay.
given meanings as 1, 2, and 3. So third means
Right.
third sense means the palm
number
leaf.
3.
So we are talking about
Number three.
we are talking about Avyangana in this case as a palm leaf. We are
So it is
talking about
used-
Avyangana as the palm leaf in case of this prayer, in case of this sentence. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ada Avyangana. Next word.
Imat. Imat meaning this. It is
Demonstrative
a demonstrative pronoun.
Imat, other than
Baris-
Imat, do you, Madam Ji, other than Imat, do you remember any other demonstrative pronoun?
No, I don't. Offhand, I
No
don't.
problem.
But
Okay, so I'll
either-
tell you briefly. It could be eta. It could be eta, etat, eta namno che, this, that ma ave. Imat che, eta che. It can be only a also, a, as a demonstrative pronoun. No? Some other forms of demonstrative pronoun. Eta, etat, imat, ima, and a. These are all part of demonstrative pronoun. Next word, Baresman.
Baresman.
Baresma,
yeah,
matlab
actually,
Baresma, हाँ जी.
Baresma. Baresma.
Mhm.
So, accusative singular. Shouldn't it
Yeah.
be instrumental singular?
No. It is Baresma, so accusative singular of Baresman.
Okay. Baresman, proper noun. Right. It is the name of the religious implement.
I
It
think
comes
the-
under consonantal endings.
हाँ जी, Daman, तमे Daman जे करेलु,
Daman,
Daman, if you remember. So it's in the same
Right.
category.
Right.
Okay, proper noun,
right,
name of a.
right. Religious implement.
Okay, so
So-
what do you
so-
call? What do you call this Baresman in our Mobedi parlance? What do you call it as? Jamshed, can you answer? For a Mobed, what do we call? We don't call it Baresman. What do we say?
Barsam.
Barsam, correct. We call it as Barsam. Okay. And the short notes which I've shared with you, Baresman more often than not will be part of the question. Baresman, you have to write a short notes on Baresman. So refer to the short notes for more information on Baresman. Baresman or Barsam that we say is a religious implement. Religious implement, no inner liturgical ceremony can happen without this. It is called alat in Gujarati, implement, religious implement. It's made of metallic wires, and the number of wires vary depending on the type of liturgical ceremony one performs. So if it is a small normal prayer that we carry out in Agyari Atashviram, that is the Baj, Afargan, Farakshi, part of those ceremony. So simple Baj, in the Baj ceremony, we use 5 metallic wires, 5 small metallic wires. Okay. But when you do higher liturgical ceremonies like say Yasna or Vanidar or Whisperer, the number of wires again change. So for Yasna, it could be 23. For Vanidar, it could be 35. It will be, not could be, it is 35 for 1 liter. It's there in the short notes. So you can read from the short notes. So Baresman has a direct bearing on this word Aivyangana. So Baresman is tied with palm leaf. Palm એટલે khajuri. Khajuri no journey, the Moabit side before, as a prerequisite before starting the higher liturgical ceremony, Yasna Vanida Visparan, he will go as a prerequisite, he'll go near the palm leaf, which is why palm leaf is so, the palm tree is so important in each of our fire temples. You will find a palm tree and a pomegranate tree. So palm tree ka leaf, we have to, while reciting certain prayer, we have to cut the palm leaves, and that is what is used to tie the wires, barsam wires. Picture? Okay, so Imat Baresma. Next word.
Ashaya.
Okay, next in the queue after you, Dinazanti, kaun che?
I think Firoza.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Ashaya,
Ashaya che, ha?
Ash-
Ashaya.
Ashaya,
Ashaya.
Ashaya, accusative singular of Ashaya,
Same form, okay.
ho-
Yeah.
holy,
And the meaning of the word is holily. It is just
Holy.
to show, yeah, is the adjectival suffix that we use now. The same way in the sound. The holily spread means we are talking about Ashaya and the next word frustratem.
okay.
I'll come to more
So-
explanation after we finish the next word. I'll tell you what does it mean by Ashaya frustratem. Here you just remember
yeah.
ya as the adjectival suffix
Adjective.
added to Asha.
Asha.
Huh?
So it's, yes. So it's
Asha
brush.
is holiness. And Ashama,
Asha
Madam
hai.
ji, if you recall any root which could be part of Asha,
Ash,
Ashama root kayo aave sake?
I don't,
Arnavas, can you answer, madam? I think Floretis
Ar-
no Shanche. Floretis hasn't got a chance to speak
Ar.
anything. Okay. Yeah. Ar. Root ar to go on the right path plus ta is added. So ar plus ta is Asha.
Asha,
Okay.
Ashta.
Okay. Next word.
from,
Pras.
frasta, rem, frasta, rem. Frasata rem.
Prastaretem.
Prastaretem.
Yeah.
My screen
This-
has gone off.
The screen share is gone, yeah.
Prastaretem, accusative singular of frastareta. Frastareta, to spread forth, past participle.